When you apply paragraph style to a paragraph, all the text in the paragraph changes to that look. We use paragraph styles to achieve a consistent look for all the text in your document. There are a few different ways that you can create paragraph styles. One way is that you can style the text to how you want it to look, and then go to Home, and then where the quick formatting options are for your styles, if you click on the drop down arrow, you can press Save Selection as a new quick style. If you navigate to this and then click on it, it will bring up a menu where you can change the name of the style. You would do that and then press OK. You can also navigate to the Styles panel and press the small arrow in the right-hand corner. And then if you navigate down to the bottom left-hand corner, you can see this button that says Create New Style. You can then name your style. We want to make sure that the style type is paragraph style so that whatever changes we make are applied to the whole paragraph. You then want to make sure that the style is based on no style. This is because you do not want to link this style to any other styles. You can preview how the style will look in the preview window. You want to make sure that you have ticked the Add to Quick Style list so you can access it easily, and do not tick Automatically Update. You can now see that our style has appeared in the Styles panel and on the Quick Style panel. By placing your cursor in text, you can see if any paragraph styles have been applied to it, as they will highlight in the Styles options. To apply a paragraph style, you select the one that you want from the Quick Styles menu or the Styles menu and click on it, and it will apply this to your paragraph text.